Welcome to Tackle Trading. This is Coach G for market prep update for Wednesday, January 28th. Day of reckoning, FOMC meeting, a lot of news coming out. I just want to put this video out there real quickly so you guys can watch this event unfold and watch some key sectors and indices to see what happens. Just so you know, 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, led by Janet Yellen, is going to come out and put their forecast and outlook of the economy and the interest rates and so on. What I'm going to be looking at is the S&P. All of the year so far, the first month, January, we've been in this kind of neutral channel. This makes it pretty easy to determine which way the market's going to go. We're going to get some volatility tomorrow. I'm looking at resistance above this double high around 2070 to see if we could reach that breakout point. And just a little bit lower here at 1980. Until we get out of this range between 2070 on the high side and 1980 on the low side, we're stuck in this neutral channel. The market's been waiting for this news. We got news from the ECB not too long ago, and now we're getting news from the American government's Financial Open Market Committee tomorrow. So I'm going to be watching the S&P, and I'm going to be watching some key sectors. One of the big ones is energy. Energy is XLE. XLE has bottomed, double bottom down here, possibly turning bullish. We have numbers coming out tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern on oil. I want to see if it affects this sector here. The energy sector has been a big drag on the market. And another big one, XLF, which is F for financials. We have a bearish trend here. Will this recover after tomorrow's meeting? The financial sector. A big one I'm watching in that sector right now with earnings coming up, or excuse me, earnings just came out and they're still bearish, is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is a big player. It's holding the 200-day moving average. Will this break tomorrow? I've got a trigger to buy puts if it does. Also, TLT. 20-year Treasury bond. It's on a tear right now. The bond market's on a tear. Will this break down after the meeting tomorrow, or will it continue to go up? And finally, if to watch the meeting, if you want to see some real volatility, pull up the S&P futures, which is /ES and Thinkorswim. And what you want to do is you want to change the chart to a 5-minute chart. So I'm going to change the futures to a 5-minute. And when the meeting comes out, watch the volume at 2 p.m. Eastern and watch the reaction on the S&P futures. Well, there you have it. Just some things to watch during the meeting tomorrow. This could send the market down. It could send it up. Hopefully the Fed have some magic up their sleeves to make the market break out of this neutral trend. A lot of experts out there are saying that they're going to have to release some data and a forecast and budget that's probably going to make the market not so happy. And we've seen a lot of that with Microsoft today in the earnings and a few other economic reports that came out. So heads up, stay tuned for tomorrow. Watch it unfold. This is Coach G with Tackle Trading. Catch you next time.